Well, good morning, salt yackers. We are on the water. We just got on the water. We're on a solo mission today. Just me and the old Hobie PA 360. And as you can tell, we got a foggy morning ahead of us here, but hopefully this fog will lift here in a bit. We're gonna see what we can get on for fish here. Water temperatures are chilly because we had a cold front move in about a week or 10 days ago, and it got pretty cold and really dropped the water temp. So we're gonna go near a place where there's gonna be warm water. So we're gonna paddle over there, we're gonna troll along the way, we're gonna watch the graph. If we see anything on the bottom, we'll stop and try to jig something up along the way. Until then, you guys stay tuned. We'll be back with you in a jiffy. These are manatees that you guys are seeing all around me. There must be 20 of them. Like a herd of cows out here in the water. Can y'all see all this? That's crazy. So crazy. We got some crazy life going on out here today, guys. So we saw the manatees. Now if you can see right here, there's a school of giant stingrays coming right to me. Alrighty guys, we have got a fish on finally. Not real big, I don't think, but let's see what we got. We got a big old giant ladyfish, and he let go right at the boat, which pleases me just fine. I'd rather not have to get his slime all over me. All right, well, let's keep going. And we already got another fish on. I think it's probably another lady, honestly. That's what it feels like. It's jumping like crazy. And it's super fast swimming. Oh, jumping. Yeah, big old lady. Must have just kind of gone over a school of them, because as soon as that other one came off and I cast it back out, this one hit it immediately. Let's see, he's not going to release himself the way the last one did, so we'll have to help him. That is a big old lady. All right, there he is. Nothing to write home about, just ladyfish, but thank you, Mr. Ladyfish. See you later. All right, let's get this other rod. I was actually trolling two when that first lady hit. Oh, now I got a hit on the other one. Oh, he's still hitting it. It's a twitch bait, and as I twitch it, they're coming and smacking it. It is ladyfish. But watch this. Let's see if we can just hang another one right here real quick. Just for funsies. Shall we? Probably this twitch bait is a very slow rising float. So they'll probably hit it on top. So you make it, oh yeah, there it is. They're hitting it now. Oh, he's on. Fish on. Oh, holy smokes, that is nothing but, oh my gosh, that's a shark. We got a pretty good sized shark on here, guys. Woo-wee! Okay, thank goodness he cut off. I didn't know what we were gonna do there. That shark was way too big to come in the kayak. Unfortunately, he also took my like $12 twitch bait. You can see here what he did to the line. And he's still right here thrashing about. Well, that was fun. Super fun. All right, you guys hang tight. I'm gonna get this rod tied back up and I'll be back with you all in just a minute. Felt like another bite already. Yeah, something's definitely swirling after it, trying to get it. There it is. I'll tell you something about ladyfish. We're never looking to catch them, but guys, they are fun. When they're big ones like these are, they're fun. Their strike is a little violent. They jump a lot, and they're super fast. So cool. Come here, little lady. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Yeah. She can't get it shook off, so let's just take care of that for you. Don't put a hook in my hand. Hang tight just a second, and we'll get you squared away and set about your merry day. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Ah, you little stinker. Now you're just making a mess of my boat. He is under my seat, and my, ouch, and I got a hook in my hand now. Darn thing. See you later. Man, my sunglasses are down there, all my stuff's down there, so that means everything is now covered in his slime. We got something big going on right here next to us. That's, oh yeah, that's a dolphin. There he is. He probably hears all that thrashing when I'm reeling in the ladyfish, and brings him over here curious to see what it is. Another dolphin over there. There's one in front of us. There's one off to the left of us. So we have to cast to the right. We don't want any part of any of that. Sure, I had a bite. Whoa, sorry about the camera there. For sure I had a bite, but he missed it. There he is. He came back for it. Oh, I think he missed it again. No, he's on. He's on. Oh. He's not hooked that great. I'm surprised he hasn't shaken off yet. I let him try one more time to shake it off. No, you're not gonna get it off. Let me help you before you tear yourself up. Hook in my hand. Hook in my hand. Well, now he's hooked good. Hey, dolphin. Where are you at? I got breakfast for you, bud. Big breakfast, no less. Fish on. I switched baits. I switched over to a voodoo shrimp, and it got hit on about the third cast. And I don't know what it is. I haven't seen it yet, but it's definitely a stronger fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a lot stronger fish. Unfortunately, it's a shark. It's a little bonnet head though. This one doesn't make me nervous the way that that bull shark did earlier. He kind of freaked me out a little bit. Hey, Mr. Shark, let's please don't steal my voodoo shrimp. That's the only one I've got with me. Man, these things are so strong. Look at him turning the kayak. And they're not big, you know, he's a little shark. Man, I bet he's not even 3 feet long, and he can turn my kayak. He's a little guy. Check him out though. And this kayak is 14 feet long. It weighs, I don't know, over 100 pounds because of all the gear I've got in it. Then plus me, you know, we're talking, and I'm 220 pounds, so you're talking 320 pounds-ish, and he can move it around. And he's only 3 feet long. Pretty awesome, man. These things are, they are definitely creatures that are built to survive. All right, let's see if we're going to be able to handle him without getting bitten. Come here, you little booger. They just do not get tired, ever. Okay, you gonna let me get you? You gonna play nice here? Hey, listen, I'm serious, you play nice. You little turkey. Hold on, y'all see him down here? We're gonna get hold of him now. Right behind his head, so he can't turn and bite us. Alright. Let's see if we can get that shrimp out of his mouth. Let go of it, bud. He's locked down on it. I gotta switch hands. Hey, don't start. Don't. Okay. He opened his mouth. We're gonna be able to get it out. Haha, look at that. Came out nice and easy. Cool creatures, man. He's trying to go already, but I'm holding him. See you later, Bonnie. That makes me a happy dude. Is that a target species? Heck no. But he's a strong fish and he's fun to catch. All right, now let's quit screwing around with sharks and ladyfish and all that. Let's find us a redfish, please. Got what appears to be a couple more manatees right here ahead of us. Oh shoot, 3, 1 here to the right, 2 to the left. They're just chilling at the surface there, which is kind of cool. We're in 15 feet of water here, and they're just chilling. There's actually 1, 2, 3 right here. That's looks like a mom and a calf right here. Another adult. Can't believe how many manatees I've seen today. I bet realistically, I've seen 60 or 70 total. I didn't show them all to you guys. I didn't turn the camera on every time I saw one since they've just been everywhere. See him farting there? See his bubbles coming up? Apparently when your diet consists of only vegetation, you create some gas. Just like cows do. That's got to be an old one. See all the barnacles all over him? They're so cool. Okay guys, the rain's really starting to pick up. If y'all can see this, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I've been rained on enough. It is about 2 in the afternoon, and I got out here at about 6:30. And this is the 3rd rain. and it's, as I say, picking up. So I got about a 2-mile pedal back to the truck, and I'm gonna go ahead and troll along the way. So if I catch something else, hey, I'll clip it on at the end of the video. Once again, if you hadn't already subscribed, please do so. Drop us a comment, let us know that you've subscribed, because I'd like to have an opportunity to thank you for subscribing. All you gotta do is say, hey, I subscribed. Appreciate you watching, guys. Get out there, keep your lines tight, because you know what? If you don't go, you don't know. See ya!